What's going on, guys? Jeff made you take, and I just got my stepmom a Christmas present. Part of it's mine, actually, believe it or not. So I decided to get a power over Ethernet because, you know, the router's on the whole other side of the house. And so I'm like, using this little Wi-Fi adapter, whatever it is. Here it is. This little Wi-Fi adapter doesn't do me no good. So I figured I better get something like this, because my stepmom keeps complaining about the internet for when she does her cricket stuff, which she is trying to start a business or something. I don't know anything really about it. But anyways, I figured might as well get a Powerline over Ethernet adapter and just might as well get all three at once. So I'm going to be unboxing this in this video, and then I'm also going to be testing it in a different video because obviously it's not Christmas by the time I'm shooting this video because I haven't even wrapped it, but then we'll see how it works compared to the wireless Ethernet adapter, and we'll compare them from my perspective, because my stepmom, she's in the same room, but she was complaining when she was back here with it too, so I'm just figuring I'll just get her so she don't have to complain, and because it kept getting on my nerves that she kept complaining about the Wi-Fi, and it's just a long story, because parents, you know, they don't really understand about online and how much of a, honestly guys, online is such a good way to be an entrepreneur, and it's honestly, parents and older people don't realize that, and it's very unfortunate, but I mean, it's all what we can do. We gotta show them how. Okay, now time to start unboxing this and unwrapping it, so let's get started. Maybe, here we go. So now, here's a moment of truth. If it does come with 3 or 2, hopefully it comes with enough for both of us. So, here it goes. Which, how do you even open the dang thing? They should have made it dummy proof, because, you know, I'm a dummy. Okay, so, 1, please tell me. Did I really buy a high-end power over Ethernet to only figure out it comes with 2? So, looks like I might have to buy myself one because it only comes with 1, and it said it come with 2. Okay, I guess we'll see. Okay, so it's a few days after Christmas. I already set the POEs, aka power over Ethernet, and they've been working okay, I would say. But my stepmom's, hers is working tremendous, but I bought a new one for myself, but unfortunately we had a switch, but I mean, I get the nicer one, I guess, but I mean, I kind of feel bad that I got her it was meant to be for her to have the nicer one than me, but I mean, hers works tremendous, and mine, the past few days, like, ever since I set up a few days, except for today was the first day I didn't have to do that, fingers crossed I won't have to, but I had to unplug it and go and reset it, and it got just annoying, just having to set it up all the time. So hopefully that won't happen and we'll stay connected. My stepmom, she only noticed hers dropping out every here and there. It wasn't a lot. So Powerline, it seems really nice to have so far. I mean, it wasn't huge differences in speed, but I mean, I'm also farther, but I don't know if that has to do with anything, but everything's on one circuit. So I have some speed tests over the router, which is clear across the house. I have a speed test for the extender, and also for the PoE power over Ethernet, which this video is about. And so I'm going to be sharing you guys these 3, which I'm surprised about a little bit of some, but let's talk about them. So the router's ping was 12, the download speed was 15.32, and the upload was 5.89, so I mean, it wasn't terrible. I mean, there could be worse than that we could have. Then the PoE, which this video is about, it has a ping of 23, download of 11.25, and the upload of 5.86. Then also, last but not least, the extender, it got a ping of 19, download of 18.07, and a download of 5.93. So, I mean, it's not a huge difference in between all 3 of these, but, I mean, it's kind of nice to have this wired connection. I mean, it's just more, like, you don't have to worry about it dropping in as much. Also, and these little PoEs, the one I bought comes with internet built into it, so I could make it extender, which is nice because it just plugs in right down here, and then it serves internet, so it, like, have a stronger connection. I've actually noticed a really good wireless signal from just having it plugged in and I've been running Ethernet, but like on my phone, it's been running a lot nicer using this Wi-Fi extender compared to the one that's all the way upstairs. But also, I recommend, I didn't say this in a Wi-Fi extender video because I didn't know about it until a few weeks ago. If you have a Wi-Fi extender and you have a upper level, try to put it up in the middle of your house, in the highest level you can, because Wi-Fi sends signal down. It sends it more like this, is what my Millstream instructor told me, and I've noticed since I put up there a better connection, he was right, and so I recommend moving upstairs if you already have one, or you get one and put it upstairs, or what I even recommend more is if you want to run a wired connection, get a PoE, because they're very nice. That's the only trouble I've had, but I think that's just been because the power went out once, and it was working fine until the power went out, so I think the power's just been going out a couple days, because it might have just been going when I was out at work. But that's pretty much it for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification. Also, hit that like button too if you guys like this video. And make sure you subscribe if you're new and stay tuned for some more. I might do another giveaway soon.